Good day. My name is Joey Jones Pamatian Sabandal from Section C1 and I am 24 years old from the municipality of Las Nieves, province of Agusan del Norte. I am a fourth-year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science. Good day, sir. Today, I will share my thoughts and reflections about do non-human animals have moral rights? Animals are capable of suffering in the same way and to the same extent as humans. They can feel pain, pleasure, anxiety, frustrations, loneliness, and motherly love. Animals, like humans, are living beings who should not be treated any differently. Many animals are harmed or killed by humans every year. For, for animal protection, necessary measures must be implemented. Pet owners must be accountable for their animals' needs because unlike humans are conscious of moral concepts and we are able to distinguish between right and wrong. Our mental capacity and socializing skills are what distinguishes us as a humans and enable us to outperform all other living things, regardless of their whether the victims has any rights or not. Humans recognize that certain activities like ethically wrong and should not be done. Causing pain and suffering to another animals, whether human or non-human, is morally unacceptable. Rather, we have a responsibility to avoid being harsh to them. Our responsibilities to animals are essentially responsibilities to humanity. Only humans have right sense. They are the only creature with a moral sensibility. Besides, the moral obligations is important. We protect the planet because when plants and animals become endangered, so we do. However, these rights come with obligations such as the obligations to properly care for animals. We have a moral responsibility to stewards towards environmental protections. Therefore, human beings have a moral obligations to conserve the environment in order to make certain our survival and the survival of other species. Do animal have welfare and protection law as Republic Act number 8485 or an act to promote animal welfare in the Philippines, otherwise known as the Animal Welfare Act of 1998. The purpose of this act is to protect and promote the welfare of all animals in the Philippines by supervising and regulating the establishments and operations of all facilities utilized for breeding, maintaining, keeping, treating for all animals either as objects of trade or as household pets. What we're saying is that animals need more than just improved treatment. They deserve dignity to have their needs and recognized and respected, and most importantly, they should not be exploited for human profit. Animal welfare demands that we lessen suffering while nevertheless exploiting, enduring, controlling every aspect of their life, and eventually abuse them. A person does not have a moral rights if he or she is a member of a species that lacks the ability to make free moral judgment. Non-human animal species do not have the ability to make moral decisions on their own. As a result, non-human animals lack moral standing. It's simply the correct thing to do. We do not have the right to injure and abuse animals just because we can. They sentient of being in their own right. They are not toys. Should be loved.